Blacking out certain cells or columns can be a great way to reduce visual overload in Excel. The easiest way to do it is to simply click on the cell and then select the fill color for that cell. Black color will do. We can select Arrange, or you can black out the whole column just by clicking on the letter at the top, column G, black. You can do the same thing with the row, so row 12, black. Alright, sometimes we want this to happen automatically based on the value of the cell or lack of value. In that case, we can refer to conditional formatting. Head to Format menu at the top and select Conditional Formatting. Here we can create some rules. I'm using the classic style and I format only the cells that contain, in my case, that will be a specific value, that will be exact 0. So the cells that got 0 in will be format. In my case, I will format them with the custom format. I want this to have a black fill. And that's it. Click OK. And with this rule, all of the cells with value 0 are automatically blacked out. So this can be a really time saver. If I change this 4 here to 0, it's black. I didn't need to do anything because conditional formatting is checking for this value 0 and blacking out those center cells. So that's how you can use the black color to manage a visual overload of spreadsheet in Excel. I hope this short tutorial was helpful and I will see you in the next one.